So hello, I thought I'd just show you something that I'm just doing. I'm putting up some temporary curtains at the moment, and what I'm having is 6 on one window. Now I know quite a lot of people do this and they have the gaps in between and pull them one by one. But until you can get people like me around, or get me around to stitch it up for you, what I'm going to show you is I've got 2 pairs of curtain on at the moment, and you can see one pulls the other. But if you look closely, what I've done is I've locked one in, and then this is on top, so when it pulls it, right? At the bottom will have a gap, but if you want to do it, you will stitch this by hand to hold it or pin it until I come in and stitch it up for you and do it the proper way. So here it is now. So you see this one here is facing the wrong way. So what I'll do is I'll take that one off, put this one to trap it, I've got this one now trapped in that, so this one will pull it, and then I'll continue on doing it. And then when I've done this, I will hang it up and show you. Now I'm refurbishing my house at the moment, so I can't show you the state of my house at the moment, but what I will do is show you the top part of the curtain, how it looks. And then when I'm ready and I've got my machines out, then I'll either give these away, remake them, make cushions or something. But what I'm going to do is cut these and make cushions for the chairs, so I bring the colour down into the room, right? So that's just a quick explanation. All that mess on the floor is all the curtains that the containers that it came in, the plastic it came in, and the rest of the house is a mess. So I'm not going to be showing you at this moment, all right? So I'll speak to you later. So another thing I want to explain to you is that I went to someone's house and I saw this as a joiner. Can you see that? That is a joiner. And I saw this on the outside of the pole, joining the two together. Now that is an obstruction if you left it outside, put it outside. Every time you pull it, it will stop. So what it does is, let me take it out. That's what it looks like as a joiner, right? So you squeeze it, put it inside the pole, all right, get the other side of the pole, squeeze it, and put it in. And then you join the two together. See how nice that is? And then that goes behind the center. The other side is tight in. So let's just put it there for the moment. I don't want to squash it up completely, so I've got to go and move that along that side. That side I've got to go and move it. So you see this now goes in the middle of this, and so that goes up to it like that. So that's this side of the curtain done, and this has now got 6 joins on it. Sorry, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Now I like these to be going one way, but unfortunately I couldn't. So this one is on top. So this one is on top, and the other one is underneath. Now, if you can get it in a way that they're all going the same way, that would be great. But at the moment, I can't, because the width of each one of these curtains is, this is shop made, and it's 140 centimeters. So it only gives me 4 pleats. But if it was 167 centimeters, it will give you 5 pleats. And if you've got 5 pleats, you might be able to do it, you might not, right? So this is now what I've done here. So as you can see, when you pull it, and down the bottom, you see that where the gap is, right? But because it overlaps so much, by the time I finish, you won't see it that much. Yeah, so I'm going to fix this in place, get down, and then take a further shot at a distance. So there's the other one at that side, and there's the joint.